Have you ever caught yourself standing in front of the mirror or noticed during a quiet, private moment that things don't quite feel as robust as they once did? Maybe it wasn't sudden. Maybe it crept in slowly over months or even years. A subtle loss of fullness, a delayed response, a feeling that something you once took for granted now requires more effort or sometimes doesn't respond at all. And if you're being completely honest with yourself, maybe a small voice in the back of your mind has already started whispering something dangerous. This is just aging. This is what happens after 60. I guess this part of my life is over. I want you to pause right there, because that belief is not only incomplete, it's often wrong. What if I told you that one of the most overlooked tools for supporting blood flow, vascular responsiveness, and tissue health has nothing to do with blue pills, injections, or overpriced supplements hiding behind flashy marketing? What if I told you it's probably already sitting in your kitchen, right next to your flour? I'm talking about sodium bicarbonate, plain, simple baking soda. Now, I know what you're thinking. Doctor, how is something I use to bake cookies supposed to help circulation and performance? Stay with me, because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through 5 clinically grounded, rarely discussed ways bicarbonate can support vascular health, and what happens to fullness, responsiveness, confidence, and reliability when blood flow is no longer restricted. If you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond and feel like your edge is slipping, you are not alone. But you are not broken. In many cases, what you're experiencing is not permanent loss, it's restricted circulation. Think of it like rust in the pipes, not damage to the system itself. Before we go any further, take 2 seconds and let me know in the comments where you're watching from. Men from all over the world are part of this conversation, and that matters more than you think. And if you believe men deserve shame-free, evidence-based health information, hit the like button now. It helps this message reach men who are struggling silently. My name is Dr. Olivia Parker. I'm a board-certified physician, and my work has focused for years on helping men over 50, 60, and 70 protect vascular health, confidence, and long-term vitality. Everything you're about to hear is educational, clinically informed, and designed to support, not replace, care from your personal doctor. Now, let's address a damaging myth head-on. There's a widespread belief that once a man passes 65, his body naturally shrinks, weakens, and shuts down, and that nothing can be done. That belief is deeply ingrained, and it is not biologically accurate. In many men, what looks like permanent decline is actually vascular restriction. Imagine your arteries like garden hoses. Over decades, inflammation, oxidative stress, and excess acidity create stiffness, like a kink in the hose. Pressure drops, flow decreases, responsiveness fades. But the hose itself hasn't disappeared. It needs clearing, not replacing. This is why my approach is never about miracle cures. It's about optimizing the internal environment so your body and any therapies you use can work the way they were designed to. And this is where bicarbonate comes in. Your skin is not a solid barrier, it's semi-permeable. When tissue becomes congested with metabolic waste and localized acidity, elasticity suffers. Blood vessels underneath struggle to expand. A localized alkaline soak uses osmotic pressure to gently rebalance tissue pH. As inflammation eases, microvasculature opens, elasticity improves, and blood volume increases naturally. Think of it like removing a tight rubber band from a sponge. Suddenly, it can absorb again. Protocol: 2 tablespoons of aluminum-free baking soda in warm water. Soak for 10 to 15 minutes 2 to 3 times per week. Avoid broken skin or infection. Rinse and moisturize afterward. Men often report something unexpected here, not just physical change, but psychological relief. When tissue looks healthier and responds better, confidence returns quietly. Now let's talk internal chemistry. As men age, kidney efficiency declines slightly. This can lead to low-grade metabolic acidosis, linked to muscle fatigue, stiffness, and vascular constriction. Acidic blood tightens vessels. Bicarbonate buffers that acidity and signals smooth muscle to relax. Relaxed vessels mean better volume, better response, and less resistance. Internal protocol: a half teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. The salty taste is normal. Lemon may improve palatability. If you are sodium restricted or hypertensive, consult your physician first. Many men describe this shift as feeling fluid again, like releasing a parking brake they didn't know was engaged. Now, here's why this matters even more. Many men watching this have tried nitric oxide boosters, beet powders, L-arginine, L-citrulline, or even prescriptions with mixed results. That doesn't mean those tools don't work. It means nitric oxide is fragile. In an acidic, inflamed environment, nitric oxide breaks down quickly, like striking a match in the wind. Bicarbonate doesn't create nitric oxide, it protects it. Used 20 to 30 minutes before nitric oxide supporting foods or supplements, bicarbonate allows dilation to last longer and feel more consistent. There's another process we need to address: inflammaging. Chronic, low-grade inflammation stiffens tissue over time. Even with good blood flow, fibrotic tissue cannot expand properly. Bicarbonate has been shown to reduce inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein. Less inflammation means better elasticity, comfort, and expansion capacity. Pulse approach: a quarter teaspoon daily, 5 days on, 2 days off. This supports balance without suppressing natural buffering systems. One of the most balanced combinations is bicarbonate with lemon. 8 ounces filtered water, a quarter teaspoon of baking soda, juice of half to 1 fresh lemon. Drink 20 minutes before breakfast. Citrate enhances alkalinity. Potassium balances sodium. Bicarbonate buffers acidity. Men often report improved morning responsiveness and overall consistency with this routine. Now let's make this practical. Days 1 to 14. Morning drink only. No stacks, no chasing sensations. Think of this as clearing the rust. Days 15 to 30. Continue the drink and add the soak twice weekly. If you do nothing else, stick with the morning drink. Internal chemistry is the most powerful lever. You're not going to wake up tomorrow with the body of a 22-year-old. What most men notice instead is warmth, fullness, improved morning response, less anxiety, and more predictability. That's real success. Aging does not mean surrender. Drop a comment and tell me which step you're starting with. Like this video so it reaches men who need it. Subscribe for weekly evidence-based guidance and share this with one man who won't ask but needs to hear it. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, and remember this: vitality is a practice, not a destination.